Hey there, let's personalize a beautiful birthday invitation in just a few minutes. With Templett, you can customize templates easily and even change their format to fit your needs. First, let's pick a design. Templett offers tons of stunning stock templates, but what if you want to switch from vertical to horizontal? No problem. I'm choosing this one. Look how amazing these are. Okay, this is our template for today. Now, let's change the orientation. Head over to the right side menu, click on Settings, then select Orientation Landscape. Since we changed the format, we need to move things around to make everything fit perfectly. Hold Option while dragging the handles to resize the image without changing its position. Next, let's adjust the cloud image. Same process. You can select multiple elements by pressing Shift and clicking on them. If the space between lines looks too big, click the text box, go to the toolbar up here, and adjust line height. There we go, much better. Now it's ready to customize the text. And that's it, a gorgeous birthday invitation, fully customized and ready to sell. Easy, right? Try it out in Templett and start creating today.